Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And today I'm going to show you how you can change your thumbnail to the videos that you upload to your YouTube channel. Whenever you upload a video to your YouTube channel, YouTube will automatically generate a thumbnail for that video, and it's usually a thumbnail that's not likable. It's not eye-catching. And so I'm going to show you how to change that. And I'm going to be using Cyberlink Power Director 17 to show this demonstration. Now, there are other ways how you can create a customized thumbnail on some programs. You just have to check with your program to find out. So in this case, you go over here to import file or import media, and you click on it. You can import a media file or a folder, whichever you decide. In this case, I want to import a video that I want to use for my thumbnail. So I'm going to click on import media file. I'm going to click on the video. This is the video, and you want to drag it to the timeline. Okay. Once you have it in your timeline, you want to use your playhead. You can push the play button, or you can drag it here. Whichever you do, you want to get it to the spot that you want to use for your thumbnail. Once you get it to the area that you want to use for your thumbnail, you're going to come down here to this little camera icon, and it'll say take a snapshot of the video. You can press Control P or press the button, and from here it'll give you a folder to where you can save it to. You can give it a name. It's going to save it as a JPEG or a JPG file. I've already done this, so save it wherever you want to save it and then click save. I'm going to cancel out since I've already done that. Once you do that, you can go ahead and close out Power Director. I'm going to click no. Okay. From there, you want to open up your YouTube channel. Once you come to your YouTube channel, you're going to come here where it says YouTube Studio. You're going to click on that. You're going to be at your channel dashboard. Now I want to change this thumbnail because it's not what I want. Okay, but this is what is available on your video right now. You're going to come over to the left side on the dashboard, click on videos. These are all your videos that you have on your YouTube channel. So if you want to change the thumbnail of the video, click on the title or the thumbnail of the video. It doesn't matter. It's going to take you to the same place either way. As of right now, this is the thumbnail for this particular video. I want to change it. So you're going to come down to where it says, whoops, thumbnail, right there. And these are the thumbnails that are available right now. These are none of what I want to use. So from there, you're going to click on upload thumbnail. Now, there will be a folder that comes up. This is okay, there it is. And you're going to scroll down to where you saved the picture, wherever you saved it at, in whichever folder that you saved it to. In this case, this is the picture I want to use. So I'm going to click on that, and I'll open it up. And once it's there, all you do is click save. Down here, you'll see where it says changes saved. Over here, you can see now this is your new thumbnail. If you want to make certain that it is the thumbnail that you wish to have in your videos, you're going to go up to your icon. You're going to click on it and click on your channel. When you click on your channel, you will see the change. As you can see, it changed the icon or the thumbnail. And that's how you change the thumbnail to your YouTube videos. All right. I hope this helps you out. You guys stay safe. Be well. Peace out.